little chilly. It's March 7th, 2021.
I could cry right now. So, apparently I never hiked this trail before.
Check out my flaming outhouse socks. Alright. You are watching Riverbend Longbows Outdoors. Howdy, Ray here, Tanya, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and we're in Arkansas. We're at the Little Missouri River Trailhead, Eagle Rock Loop State Park thingy, whoop-de-doo, National Park. Oh yeah, Ouachita National Forest. And we're getting ready to get started. It's about 30 miles, give or take. So we got one creek crossing and then 6 ridges to cross. And we plan on doing it one night, 2 days, but if it takes 2 nights, 3 days, whatever. We packed enough stuff to do that, so here we go. Stay tuned. A little chilly. It's March 7th, 2021. It's pretty nice out, 40s, supposed to be in the 60s. And got really lucky on the forecast. It was looking pretty iffy 2 weeks ago, but I pulled all the rain out of the forecast. Yeah, we got some climbing to do. We're gonna try to get that out of the way today, like I've watched other YouTubers do. Makes more sense. And crossing the Little Missouri should be safe now. It was kind of flood stage last week, so it was not very possible. So anyway, not sure how much I'm going to film of this, so it'll be a surprise to both of us, but I just want to enjoy it. I hope you do too, what I share. Here we go. Well, I think we're getting close to the top of the first ridge. Heck of a view. First summit. A little breath. Got 5 more to go. Way out there. However, beautiful. Yeah, that's fine. Here she comes.
Hey, stop.
Okay. Okay. Second water crossing. Let's see if we can do this. I got it. I got this.
I could cry right now. I'm serious.
She's happy for her daughter. She got 100 on her math test. Anyway, this trail is not for beginners. I recommend having a little bit. Anyway, what I was saying is you should probably have some experience before tackling this one. We're not planning on doing the entire loop probably. It is one of the toughest ones in Arkansas according to statistics. Yeah, it can get interesting. Came from way further up from there. Our way down. Rather rocky. A lot of rocks in the ground this year, so beware. Just take your time. Whew, baby. Wow. That's a push. Beautiful. It's beautiful.
So, apparently I never hiked this trail before. And it's really, really long. And apparently I'm out of shape.
Oh, Lordy. Aren't we all? Okay. Here we go.
Before we go down,
Time out.
I gotta take a picture.
Oh, yes. Vista. We're going way down there. This is awesome. Highly recommend it. Trail, very, very steep actually. We took a nice break, cut some weight. I had the wife cut the tags out of the back of my pants, so legs feel a lot better. I'm just kidding. A little spring coming out of the crevice here.
Look, this is all wet behind me.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Picture 472. Cool.
Apparently I've never seen this before.
Yeah, what a hoot.
I hope doing all these first restorations feel like,
Yeah. I was planning on making this a video of tips and tricks on hiking, but screw it. You guys are on your own. I'm just gonna have fun. Is that all right? Yeah. Water. Need to refill your water? Oh.
I thought about it, but I only had half a bottle.
Yeah.
I thought about it, and it's special.
Well, that's iffy, but I'm gonna try to cross without getting my feet wet. Maybe.
Like it was 100 degrees above that pool right here.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we had some lunch, took a break, got a little turned around. The map we printed off is jank. So we're getting back on trail. We went way up, thought, no, this isn't right, but You guys came through and said, yeah, I did this in November, so you just follow the blazes. Which, yeah, okay. Here we go. She's crossing the creek. I'm cutting over the hill. There she comes. Deer. Pretty cool. I heard a rattlesnake somewhere in here. He just tapped his buttons, but not sure where he's at. We're just gonna leave him alone. Ambitious. Carry buckets all the way in to sit on. We're like, what, 6 miles in? Probably 5, 4, I don't know. Well, my feet are killing us, so we're soaking them, get the swelling down a bit. Hopefully. Hopefully you can hear me over the babbling brook. I forgot to mention this is my wife and I's 19th wedding anniversary, and this is her first backpacking trip, so it's pretty exciting. It's killing us though. Wow, those last few ridges are, I ain't kidding, they're nothing to mess around with. We're having fun, soaking our feet. We got a couple more to do, get a few more miles down hopefully, and then make camp. We'll see what happens first. Okay, brakes over, heading out. Most couples go to Cancun for their anniversary. We like to go to the mountains and beat the hell out of ourselves so we can barely walk. My feet hurt. Look at that though.
They look like nice shoes.
My feet hurt. It's pretty. Got my magic shoes on. Oh my gosh. Oh, we just got our feet dried off and stuff, and now we got a big creek crossing. Back to the amphibians. Whew, that is right off the snowpack. Man, is that cold. Here she comes. Alright folks, we're making the decision. We're calling it a day. We're getting dangerous walking. We are shot. A little camp spot here down by the creek. It's perfect. Here we go. Nice little spot. She said she wanted to set up the tent. That's fine. Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, there's day one. We're gonna eat our food. We got our food warming up in our pouches. It's getting pretty chilly out. Enjoy that. Get some fire and call it an evening. See you later. Check out my flaming outhouse socks. Here we have beef stroganoff with mushrooms. Happy helping.
So made.
It's cold. I ain't messing around. No switchbacks on this one. Straight up. I found a piece that's definitely been flaked. Oh, sorry.
Again with the knocking it out of my hand.
I saw some little trout hiding up in there. Yep. Whew, we're on top.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this, and we'll see you next time.